This is the brief on Hagen-Poiseuille flow. Okay, so you'll often hear this called just Poiseuille flow. And really, it's all about one big idea: how the geometry of a pipe has this profound influence on the fluid moving through it. So let's break it down into the 3 key takeaways you absolutely need to know. First, this whole thing only works under certain conditions. We're talking about a smooth, layered movement, what's called laminar flow, of a simple fluid, like water, that's being pushed by pressure through a basic circular pipe. Second, and this is the absolute kicker, the math, the volumetric flow rate is dominated by the pipe's radius raised to the 4th power. To the 4th power! A change in pressure might give you a linear change in flow, but just a tiny change in the radius, that gives you an exponential change. It's wild. And finally, this art of the 4th dependency has huge real-world consequences. Think about plaque building up in your arteries. Even a minor narrowing doesn't just reduce the flow a little bit, it slashes it, forcing your heart to work way, way harder to compensate. When it comes to fluids, the pipe's geometry isn't just a detail, it basically dictates everything.